In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable password protection in Framer. So, let's dive right into it, starting from the very beginning. First, you'll want to open Framer. Once you've got that up and running, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll notice a button labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on that. Here, you'll find all the controls you need to customize your Framer experience. Next, you'll want to scroll down through the Settings menu. Keep going until you spot the option labeled Password Protection. This is where we'll enable the feature that ensures your site remains private and secure. Once you find it, you'll see a button that allows you to turn on password protection with just a simple click. Before you can proceed, it's important to note that this feature may require an upgrade to a specific plan if you haven't done so already. Access to password protection is one of those advanced features that ensure additional security for your projects. So check your current plan and make any necessary adjustments to gain access. Once you've confirmed that, you can activate the password protection feature. After clicking the button, you'll be prompted to set a password. This password will serve as a gatekeeper each time you or anyone else attempts to open your site in a browser. So make sure you choose a password that's both strong and memorable. It's worth investing a moment to think of a password that includes a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and possibly a few special characters. This adds an extra level of security. With that set up, you've successfully equipped your Framer site with an added layer of security. Now, every time your site is accessed using a browser, the person attempting to view it will be required to enter the password you just created. This ensures that only individuals with the correct password can view the content of your site, providing you with peace of mind and control over who accesses your creative work. And there you have it. You've just learned how to enable password protection in Framer, effectively safeguarding your site with an easily manageable security measure. As you continue to work on your projects, you can rest assured that your site is well protected. Thanks for joining in today, and happy designing.